So you've just installed TrichosciencePro software and are ready to begin using your trichoscope. This video will serve as an introduction to your trichoscope, and I will be also showing you how to configure the camera in the TrichosciencePro software. This is your trichoscope. Start by connecting the USB wire to the USB port on the computer. Next, turn the device on. You can do this by going to this switch here and switching it to LED. This will illuminate all of the LEDs and turn the device on. Now that the trichoscope is connected, open the TrichosciencePro software. On the right panel, near the bottom, select Video Capture Device. And then click Digital Microscope and OK to finish configuring your trichoscope. Next, click Express Trichoscopy. This is the fastest way to do evaluations without adding new patients. Next, click the camera icon to bring up the live image. And you can see it's streaming a picture from your trichoscope. And you want to take your trichoscope and bring it into focus. I can just put it on my hand to bring it into focus on something. And then click OK to snap a live picture. And that takes your first scan. Now that you know how to connect the camera and configure it and take a picture, I'm going to be showing you a few things about the trichoscope that make it unique, and also be showing you a few of the things that come with the trichoscope in the package. So back to the trichoscope itself. You want to hold it like a pencil with your index finger on the silver dial here. This is the focus dial. Rotate it to achieve focus. Next, this is the snapshot button. You can click this when viewing the live image if you want to scan a picture during one of your studies. This here is the brightness dial. You can turn it up or down, but I recommend keeping it fully illuminated all the way up. This is the power switch here. We went over this earlier. To turn it fully on, switch it to LED. On the nose of the device, you have your polarizing ring, and you can rotate this to reduce glare.
As I'm rotating the polarization ring, this is what I'm seeing on the screen. Here is the image without polarization, and after rotating the polarization ring, I can enable polarization and reduce the glare. Here the polarizer is enabled and the glare is reduced.
The trichoscope also comes with 2 glass covers and 3 scope spacers, which serve for various functions. The scope spacers also create a space between the camera and the target, which enables each one to achieve different levels of magnification, which can be used for different procedures. Here's a table that shows the different levels of magnification that each size can achieve.
Feel free to pause the video at any time you feel necessary.
Each size scope spacer can achieve 1 or 2 levels of magnification. I would recommend using the mid-size scope spacer for most applications. With the mid-size scope spacer attached to the front of my trichoscope, I'm now going to be showing you on the screen what it looks like when I use the focus roller to focus at those 2 levels of magnification. Here is the lower magnification point. Right there. And I'm going to go now to the higher magnification point, just by using the focus roller. There it is. These are the glass covers. You can put these right onto the front of the scope spacer just by pressing it into place, and these can be used with oil for immersion media. And this concludes the camera configuration and trichoscope overview video. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.